Potential energy of the spring. Potential energy of the spring is basically the amount of work done performed by the spring against the restoring force. So, try to understand how to get expression for potential energy of the spring in terms of the spring constant. So, this is a spring, helical shape spring. This spring, one end is attached with the rigid support, other end a block. This block is kept on a horizontal plane, frictionless, say ideal condition, and the restoring force is basically the force exerted on the block due to the elastic nature of the spring. So, when we push or pull the block start oscillating about point O between extreme points A and B. So, what will be the restoring force at any point? Let the block at point P, P is a general point, let its distance is small r from the equilibrium position O. So, at point P, the restoring force due to the elastic nature of the spring is given by minus K r. R is the displacement and K is the restoring constant. The negative sign shows that the restoring force is always acting towards mean position. Now, we will use the integration method. First of all, we will find out what the small amount of work done for a small displacement dr against restoring force. So, the small work done for a small displacement dr is given by the basic formula dw is equal to fr dr cos 180. Why 180? Because the displacement is from P to Q and the restoring force always acting towards mean position. So, angle between fr and dr will be 180 degree and dw will be minus kr because fr is equal to minus kr according to equation number 1. Dr and cos 180 is minus 1. This minus plus, so dw is equal to kr dr. Now, from equation 2 it is very clear the work done is a variable factor of displacement. So, if you want to calculate work done from point A to point A, you have to integrate within the limit of O and A. So, what will be the total work done from O to A against Fr? W is equal to O to A. So, when you put the limit for O to A, O initial value that is 0 or A the maximum displacement plus R and the value of dw is equal to kr dr. For integration, we will take out the constant value outside of the integration. So, we have to integrate r dr. So, when you integrate r dr by formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, its integrated value will be r square by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is x. So, when you apply the limit, it is 1 by 2 k x square minus 0. Finally, this is 1 by 2 kx square. This is the amount of work done by the block to move from O to A against restoring force R. This work done will be stored in form of potential energy at point A. So, potential energy will be half kx square. So, in this way you can understand the work performed by the block against the restoring force will be stored in form of potential energy of the spring.